Kagiteno kaunti ya DCP Meru nireganite na riendekithia gwako kwa Gaaru Rais Meru amwe na kieni golf pakiuga thirikari itearaniritie na mwingi atongera babaruga ije ni njira kuthukangia mwito joimenti batitikirie ontu bobu baruga Meru iri na mathina jara thirikari batere gutegera antu akureta mirandi itina kiguni kiria Meru Muthuri Muriuki na gutariria
Patu tukuga as DCP as yanto Meru tutathirwa public participation tuwito kwanda state launch wito joto jogitwa
Baba na ine atongire bakiama kia DCP ya kuma kaunti Meru para baciumiritie na kutha bakiregana nirethukanira mwito joimenti kutha jokigitwa nigenda gwakwa state launch kieni kia ndege na kinyanga of course bakiuga bo bakatigira bakurungi konti bubu nikenda butathithike
antu betu ba Meru ote muntu tukaria nthi aturia nimbi tukwenda tumwira state launch tukwenda ende tenduo carriageway ya kuma Gikomene mwanka Meru Polytechnic ote muntu tukaria nthi tumwira batu bira tukwenda ndene Meru yetu itukwenda ithro ina bypasses kenda ngari tia sukumane na minya nwere kuo endu tumwira state house tukwenda yauni mantu athithitwe na atongoretwe no ngweta a known land grabber
congestion ya magari sibitari sukuru. Oh my god, tokara to anda keri cha Meru problem cheto state launch yedo number 600 na ungirie mwe, but we have confused the leaders pako yo problem with state launch pa mierevet pa miedi problem we ere na mononda na Meru simple non tunio bakanya kuia miunda yetu yana beto na tojojo yetu. The answer is no, Mr. Rahim. The answer is no, Mr. Ruto. We shall stop that in court. We shall stop that through demos. But as Meru, we are rising up. Ote mwito yoto kagita. Bila uyetiri kongane.
Amna bubu beto bakimene thirikari nene ure kuonekana agitantu Gaaru Rais na kuba mbecha na kinyaguta maturene bakigito uju
2027 ba state house bakaringa kura na baba tate state house bayatatia na batu ba toteta state house itwe bainge ne wonto going forward ne one term
and the voters we are 1 million kou wakamatanto ngirie kumeta wana Nairobi likana million more voters in the Meru. You have to deal with us.
But they will account for that money when time comes in after 2027. DCP, when it comes in as the ruling party, they will have to explain where these massive amounts of money were coming from to dish to the people. Kurega came into 2 terms is not enough. But we mano Ruto kendeki bakejage yetwe ne 1 term.
Muthuri Muriuki uri Juma mutiro kangangi.